Welcome back guys, my name is Alex Xiao. Today I'm going to unboxing my new phone that I just bought a few days ago. Before I start it, consider to subscribe my channel and open out the notification bell to see my latest video that I upload every week. Let's start. On my hand is Xiaomi 11T that I just bought a few days from the shopping mall Mi store. Now I'm going to simply describe what is the feature that teaches me to buy this new phone. Overall, I use it, is quite good. Let's say if you ask me, is that worth to buy Xiaomi 11T? I would like to say yes. Alright, now I start the first one. And the first one is screen. The screen is 6.6 inch and then it is AMOLED screen. It's more better for us to see like eye comfortable compared to LCD screen because our eyes will not feel like fatigue. And then it's a big screen, enable us to see like video or watch movie is very good. Those who want to buy, then you all know what I'm talking about. And the second is the frame. Frames actually is used like aluminum frame. For those who like to play game, for the gamer, I think you all would know what I'm talking about because if you use aluminum frame, it's not easily to heat out. And the third one is the back. The back is used matte materials. So when we touch, not to see like fingerprint attached here, attached there, is very smooth. And the fourth, I think you all would ask me why I choose Celetra Blue. Actually, these have three colors. For the first one is metallic gray, and the second one is moonlight white, and the third one is Celetra Blue. Because my favorite color is blue, then I consider to choose it. For the fourth is the camera. I would like to talk the camera. This Xiaomi 11T have 108 megapixel wide and the 8 megapixel ultra wide and the 5 megapixel for tele camera. And the front one is the selfie camera that has 16 megapixel. The calculations for the camera is quite accurate, so don't worry if you like take the photo is quite bad or something like not good. Don't worry, it will handle all your issue. Number 5 I would like to talk about is the speaker. Actually, some of the phone just like one speaker, but this Xiaomi 11T have two speaker, that means dual speaker. So it's not only two speaker because some of the phone actually new phone have two speaker, I know, but Xiaomi 11T have two speaker that have like is enhanced by the stereo speaker. So when those who like to listen music or watching movie, the sound is more reality, give you the another experience to see it. Number 5 I would like to talk about is the operating system. Operating system is used is Android 11, equivalent to MIUI 12.5. So I think Android 11 is just new, right? Then after we brought this new phone, you ask us to upgrade to Android 12. Now my phone just upgrade to Android 12, I think. Number 6 I would like to talk about is the CPU. What CPU is used? CPUs, this for Xiaomi 11T is used MediaTek Dimensity 1200. Actually, this CPU is quite better than another CPU because when we use these CPUs, it will not run out of battery very fast. However, it have its own competitor. What is competitor? Its competitor is Xiaomi 11T Pro. What CPU is used is Snapdragon 888. The Snapdragon 888 is more consume battery. Number 7, I think is you guys you also very consider is price, right? Alright, now I would like to talk about if those who buy 8GB plus 128GB storage is in Malaysia ringgit is 1,499. However, for those who like to purchase 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage, that cost is 1,699 Malaysia ringgit. Number 8, I would like to talk about this Xiaomi 11T is support like NFC, right? NFC, that means infra ports. That means because in Malaysia, if we use NFC, something like touch and go, when we touch it, you directly to this all equipped in this Xiaomi 11T. Then for me, now I will talk about the gaming experience. Experience for the gaming I play for me is PUBG Mobile. When we play PUBG Mobile, I play is very sweet and smooth. Nothing I can complain because this Xiaomi 11 it can up to smooth 90 fps. I would like to mention is the refresh hertz. Its refresh hertz is 120 hertz, and then the error mistaken like error touch is 20 hertz. That means when we click it, it will like not the run there run down, like it will cause us very accurate to touch the button or touch the application. And his weight is 204 gram. Actually I hold it's quite, cannot say it's quite heavy and cannot say it's light, it's medium lah. So for those who want to buy, yeah, I am just give you my personal point of view, no offense anyone, then just based on you all personal need lah. I suggest you all, like if you all can up to the price more higher, then you can consider to buy Xiaomi 11T Pro. If you like just me student or something like a worker, then you can consider to buy Xiaomi 11T. I would like to talk about lah. I think have little bit sensitive. Phones is always high class and high class. We cannot follow the trend. Yeah, just make sure the phone is good, then overall is good is enough, because phones will never stop, and then technology will always modern and modern. I hope you guys learn something in here. Any problem you can comment down below. And lastly, I would like to mention again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and open out the notification bell. I will attach the video for the overall performance to you all. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running